This is the hardest challenge that I take. Well, it sounds like simple, but the challenge is I'll be stranded in the wild for 7 days straight. It might be easy for everyone, but for me, this is also one of the most dangerous, hardest, difficult challenge that I did. This place is known as the Death Place. Locals said that unfamiliar people enter here will most likely get injured or the worst, die. This place is untouched and all most wild animals like snakes are living in this place. This is what happened. I hired a local guide to bring me on the location where I'll be stranded for the rest of the day alone. I was expecting nakakayanin lang namin na maglakad, puntahan ng lugar ng isang araw. But it's more than that I expected. Umabot kami ng 3 days and 2 nights. Even though we did our best, kahit kain lang ang pahinga sa paglalakad, pero ganun pa rin. Halos maiwan na nga ako ng local guide sa sobrang bilis na maglakad.
Guys. Yung dala natin is I think abot yan ng mga 30 kilos because this trip would be a very long journey, 7 days adventure. This trip we hired a tour guide, so that person is our tour guide. So we book a tour guide for 1 week because this is an unfamiliar place, so for safety purposes. But we are alone. What the? Nawala na yung tour guide, oh. Saan na ba yun? 8 hours na kaming naglalakad. We started 5 AM in the morning doon sa baba. Tapos mabot kami dito 12 noon. Tapos hindi pa kami umabot. So kailangan ko nang tumigil. Nauna na yung tour guide sa atin kasi naubusan na ako ng lakas.
Ay nako, nakakainis. Ayaw ko na. Suko na ako. Bang hira. Hirap na daan dito. Sana ba yung tour guide natin? Boss, hintayin mo ako, boss. Nawawala na ako, boss. Boss.
Atara, sundo na yung agi, guys.
Nakaganda ng mga rocks dito. Parang ano ba? Maganda. Ay. Boss! Saan ka na, boss? Boss. Hintayin mo ako, boss. Dito dumaan yung perfect natin. Nakikita ko yung mga inaapakan niya. Boss. Hindi ko na kaya, boss. Tulungan mo ako, boss. Boss. Bossing.
Parang gumagapang tayo. Sobrang assault. Yung tour guide nang iiwan. Walang hiya. Ganda. Tulak malambot. Alright, so good morning. Good noon na pala. We are here in this little cabin. So we stop over here because we already walked, I think, we already trekked almost 9 hours. So, hindi na kakayanin. So, we need to stay here. We need to cook food. We need to relax first before we going to continue our hike. So our destination is very far, so I think it would take us 3 days or 2 days. We'll be staying here for, I think, 7 days straight. So we're just gonna explore this place. We have a tour guide. I hired a tour guide and he brought us here. So now we're gonna prepare a food because we're getting hungry. So after this, after we can rest here, we're just gonna show you guys what is here, what we can see in this place. This is a very cute. So our hammock, we already eat our lunch. So this is not the place where we are going to visit. So we just stop here because we are running out of time. And we are so tired. We trek almost 10 hours. So I cannot manage that kind of walking, trekking. So we need to take some rest and then we're going to continue our journey tomorrow. But right now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna explore the place here. So as what you can see, this is very wild and this cabin is very nice, guys. I'm gonna sleep here tonight. So I'm gonna show you my experience here as well. So I'm just gonna leave this kind of thing here and then let's try to explore the surroundings. Maybe we could find something interesting here and just to see how beautiful this place.
Going down here. Wow. Try to go upside.
Alright guys, so we climbed this super big balete tree. Look at that, it's very huge, like a snake. So this is so beautiful. Ah, this is super amazing. I really like this kind of tree. This is very sexy.